Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how I made this beautiful bubble hairstyle. This hairstyle, she used it for her birthday photo shoot, and trust me, this hairstyle is so beautiful, trust me. But please, if you've not subscribed to our channel, please do well and subscribe. So as you can see, I've already sectioned the hair to 7. Yes, it's 7 in total. So as for that middle one, keep watching, you'll see what I will do there later, okay? So here I'm just trying to brush the hair just to make it look beautiful. I also use the edge controller to slick the hair, because as you can see, this hair is virgin hair, so you need to slick it down with edge controller in order to make it look beautiful and neat. So after that, you have to secure it with black rubber band. So that is it. So these front ones, don't leave it at the front, rather take it back. Yeah, just like brush hairstyle. So if you take it back, you'll like the outcome. Like the first one I did, I left them at the front side and the outcome wasn't good at all. So this time around, I corrected myself by making sure that I took them back, and everything came out so perfect and beautiful as well. So do not forget to use your edge controller as well to slick it. If you use your edge controller to make everything to look so beautiful and neat as well. So here we are still going to do the same thing. We are going to take it back. Yes, just like we did on the other one, we have to take it back in order to give us our desired look. So use your edge controller as well to slick it, and after that you now secure it with your rubber band. That is it, as simple as. So the truth about this hairstyle is it won't cut your hair or your child's hair, because my daughter, she carried her own for 2 weeks and it didn't cut her hair. So you're safe. If the rubber will cut your hair or not, it won't cut it. Yes, please, if you've not subscribed to our channel, please do well and subscribe. Please, I'm begging you, it's free. And also do well to like and also comment on our videos, please. All these things are very important. So right now I'm about to form the bubbles. Yes, so like some of them I got 3, some I got 4. And also the secret to this hairstyle is the bigger the bubbles, the beauty. Like not really that big, but at least medium size bubble will make the hairstyle to look beautiful. So as you can see the size I made my own. So this middle part, I'm going to divide it into 4 sections. Yes, 4 sections, and each of them I will form a bubble with them. Just watch me, you'll see what I did. Okay. It's time to pack the hair, and you'll be needing this bun. This bun will bring out the beauty of this hair. Yes, it will keep the bubbles in place, and the hair in that bun, that is where you use your bubble pin and hold this thing together, the bubbles together. So that bun is so important. Okay. So this is the finished look of this hair. Trust me, she got so many compliments, and she liked the hair. So you can actually try this hair on your child. Try it and send me the picture. I'll be glad to see it. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and also do not forget to subscribe to our channel, and also try and give this video a thumbs up as well, please. Thank you so much for watching. Okay, I really appreciate it. See you next time. Bye.